This 2018 Coachmen Apex 249 RBS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Coachmen is 28 feet 3 inches in length and features Sleep's 8, carbon monoxide detector, awning, TV, Slideout, microwave, stovetop burner, leveling jacks, DVD player, spare tire kit, air conditioning, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features rear bath, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2018 Coachmen Apex 249 RBS is 5,006 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.